Hey, let me show you all secret codes that you can use on your Huawei Nova Y61. So first we have to open the phone dialer and let me input the first one. Thanks to this one, we can check the IMEI and the serial number. Let's move for the second one. And in this code, we can check all events that are set up on our phone. Another code will be very simple, 4 times 0. And thanks to this code, we can find some base information about the phone, like model, build number, hardware version, also the IMEI numbers. And the last code will be like this. It's the longest code from all of this that we have to input. And thanks to this one, we can find the project menu. And in here we can find, for example, the battery charge information. So we've got the battery temperature, the battery level. That's the percentage of the battery level. We've got also the software upgrade option. So we can upgrade the memory card. We've got also the background settings, like USB port settings, that we can switch right here. The background debug, we can open or close. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all 4 codes that you can use on the Huawei Nova Y61. Bye!